Hi everyone, welcome to Sybist. In this video, I will show you a real-time business rule scenario that I recently implemented in one of my project. So basically, the number of times the assigned to field is updated on an incident and store that count in a custom field called assigned to count on the incident table. So basically, what we need to do here, we need to check how many times user will update assigned to field, and that count we need to store in assigned to count field. Okay, so for that we need to create one after business rule. So let's open our PTI. So basically, see, I have created one table, test table, which is extended from the incident, and I have created one assigned to count field. Okay, as per this story, like assigned to count. So you can see I have created this field. Type is a string and the default value is 0. Okay, so let's create the business rule. Update assigned to count. Select the table incident test, because we need to run this business rule on incident test table. Let's see checkbox, select the checkbox, and once, because we need to write a script when to run, we need to run this business rule after record is updated. Then select the after update, save. In advance, let's write our code. So basically, I have written this code. Okay, if current assigned to count is false or empty, then it will assign 1. If it is not, then assign with +1. So here we have created u underscore assigned to count field as a string, type as a string. So that's why I need to parse in the int format. Then we need to update that code, update that value. Okay, let's save it. Okay, let's test tent. So now you can see As of now, assigned to count is 00 for all the incident. Let's change the assigned to. Now I have changed uh, the assigned to field with the one user. Let's refresh. See, it will change 0 to 1. Now change with another user. See, it is increase the count from 1 to 2, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Now change again. See, 3. So means the end user update this field the 3 times. So that count we are storing here. So that's all for today's video. I hope this real-time scenario helped you understand how the business rule are used in actual project. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to Sybist for more real-time ServiceNow development content. Uh, okay, thanks for watching.